Mr. Satyanarayan, thank you very much for joining us today. Sir, I would like to know what are the kind of difficulties that you are currently facing in terms of your overweight and ODC movements in India.
For that, you will have to understand that in BHL Bhopal we are having a gamut of variety of types of consignments which can go on hydraulic. We are making consignments of from 35 tons to 350 tons. So 35 ton objects are also ODC in the sense that they have got very big heights and widths. So that is the type of varieties which we have. So we usually find that as per the government rulings also, we cannot send them on mechanical trailers. So this is the only way which we can send in the safest manner. Though people try from the customer side to take it on mechanical trailers and all that thing, but we always advise them that it is not advisable in the view of the safety of the consignment.
So how do you think this new initiative of online passes that's being initiated by the government and HTO is going to help you in your future transportation?
If this comes up in a nice way, I feel that people should be benefited by the reduction of time, because that's where everybody is bogged down, that they go and stand at the borders or they wait for the permissions, they wait at the bridges for the permissions and all that thing. And now at present with the manual system, it takes about 1 month to 3 months to get the permissions. So that time by online thing, at least up to 100 tons, it will be reduced to same day, and the remaining things, it will be much time will be much reduced. That way transportation time will be much more reduced.
Sir, do you want HTO to take any more initiatives or any further actions that you think we should take in terms of your industry?
Yeah, in fact, we find that most of the places where bridges are there or roads are there, they are still not there in position. So if they can coordinate with the ministries to have these roads and bridges developed in a proper way to take the loads which are coming up in the future also. So that will be a very big initiative, because in that way we as industries we can only tell that this is a thing. Because 1 year back we found that many ministries did not know that ODCs are being made. That way much more awareness has come. Like Mr. Tandon was telling, Professor Tandon was telling just now, this art and science of moving things by ODCs by hydraulic trailers is a very big job. It's not that easy.
So do you have any message to be given to HTOA or the
HTOA is doing a very excellent job, and I hope and wish that they should make more progress in that and see to it that the consignments, heavy ODC consignments particularly, are transported in a more safe.